What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain, and if you're new here, I make videos on personal finance and how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. I started this Robinhood challenge for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies that I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K, and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some free stock using my link below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate you. Today's video is about a GNUS and a NIO update. Guys, I gotta be honest with you. I had a GNUS update video planned for you, as well as a NIO update video planned for you. And I said, you know what? How about I just combine the two, condense this into one video, and hit you guys over the head with both on today. And so that is why today you're going to get a GNUS and NIO update all in one video. Without further ado, let's hop into my portfolio and see what we're looking like today. Okay, the portfolio is currently sitting at $34,208.14 on the day. We're doing pretty good, almost up 1%. On the week, we are up over 2.5%, almost 3%. If I take you guys 1 month out, we are up over 1.5%. If we look 3 months out, we are up 21%, almost 22%. And if I take you guys 1 year out, we are up over 8%. Guys, you already know the stock market is the best vehicle out there to grow and build your wealth. And so if I can encourage you to do anything, make sure you invest it. Make sure you are putting your money into quality companies. Today, guys, I want to come to you and talk to you a little bit about GNUS, and I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about NIO. So let's hop into what I got to share on today. So I need you guys to tap in real quick. If you guys own GNUS, make sure you like and subscribe. If you guys own NIO, make sure you like and subscribe. First things first, we're gonna do GNUS, ticker symbol GNUS, currently $3.47. It is up 50% today. Listen, man, I was going to make a video on this to kind of give you some game and some insider secrets that nobody will tell you out there. And sure enough, GNUS done messed around and blew up. But what I was going to tell you guys was this: in the stock market, you will have hype train stocks. You will have different things that's taking place. GNUS was sitting dormant after the June 15th date came and went. It didn't do what it was supposed to do. And one thing I wanted to put you guys up on is when I talk to you guys about building out your position and making sure that you believe in the stock, it's for one reason. Sometimes, man, when you get ducked off and you put a stock like GNUS in your portfolio and what we call set it and forget it, it will have a day like today where it runs up over 50%. And that's how wealth on the low is built. Sometimes you know a company got potential, but it didn't do what you thought it was going to do in the time frame you thought it was going to do it. And sure enough, it's easy to kind of give up on it, forget about it. But in the case of GNUS today, I was making a video prior to me knowing that it was going to do this, because I was going to give you this game on the front end to say, look, GNUS is sitting at $2. I was going to tell you exactly what to do, buy it at this point because it's about to shoot up. And sure enough, before I can even get on camera, it's them shot up over 50%. So listen, guys, other stocks you may hold will potentially do the same thing. You guys got to remember, after the crowd leaves one stock and they head to another one, it doesn't mean that that other stock that you guys focused on last week just go away. And so as a result, there's still buying opportunity. A lot of times, man, once the hype leave is when you really can be low key and ducked off and be building out your position at the price you want, without all the volatility and without all the people coming in and out of the stock. And so GNUS was one of those type of plays that if you played it the right way, built your position out, and then continue to hold it despite what it did or didn't do for you, now on a day like today, it's them shot all the way up. And so listen, man, I wanted to bring that to you and tell you guys to be encouraged about any investment that you make, but more importantly, it's about the strategy that you have in place for what you want to do. I tell you guys all the time about my NAT position as well, and right now that stock isn't doing much, but we're going to look back, whether it's 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months, and when I finally cash out on that position, you guys are going to see, you know what, Chris told us about this way back when he was telling us about GNUS. And so guys, that's all I wanted to kind of share with you about stocks like GNUS and positions you might have like a GNUS where you had higher expectations than what it actually did, it's still ways to win in the stock market, and there's still ways to win with certain stock. Next up, I want to talk to you guys about NIO, ticker symbol NIO. It is currently sitting at $9.32. It is up over 17.5% on today. This stock as well has done a great job. It's so 2 for 2. You guys know I told you guys about these stocks a while back. And so here we are today, and they both doing extremely well. Guys, this is the power of the stock market. It's unpredictable. You don't know. That's why it's important that you listen, that you keep your pen and pad out when I come on camera. Take notes so that you can begin to invest strategically and build out your positions appropriately so you can take advantage of the days like this. The day I talked about GNUS, it was around the $7 mark. It had dropped to $6. If you guys would have bought at any period of time during that, you guys would have enjoyed this run up to $9, and I'm sure most of you have, because some of y'all are out there crushing it, and so you already know I salute that. But again, just like GNUS, NIO, you guys got to keep up with the stocks that you guys invest in, because you never know, just like I don't know when it's going to take off. All I do know as a veteran investor is that it will take off. When, we just don't know. So that's why you have to be invested. That's why I often talk about the long play. Long don't always mean 10 years. Long can be longer than one day sometimes, so that you guys can reap the benefits of some of these great investments that you guys are looking at. But anyhow, man, I don't want to belabor the point. I just want to come on today and kind of enjoy the success that I know a lot of you guys are having in both of these stocks, and also tell you to stay encouraged. If it ain't took off yet, if you're in this position or another position, don't give up. The stock market always does what it's supposed to do. So I hope that was helpful, man. Up next is our word of the day, and today's word is retail investors. Guys, I wanted to come to you really quickly and talk about what a retail investor is. You have several different names out there for various types of investors, but the one I want to focus on today is retail investors. Retail investors mean me and you, or you and me. Simply put, retail investors are the people otherwise known as everyday people like me and you, meaning we don't have the inside scoop like an inside trader would have. We don't have the inside scoop like somebody on Wall Street or those hedge fund managers and so on and so forth. All we can do is through apps like Robinhood, M1 Finance, TD Ameritrade, is invest in the companies that we've researched, that we like, and that we hope to own and grow our wealth over time. So retail investors is simply put as me or you, the regular everyday person. And as a retail investors, it allows us to invest in the same companies that you see other successful people invest in as well. However, we might not always get in on the behind the scene moves and trades that they are able to make after hours, before an IPO happens and things like that. But nevertheless, once it's public, it's open game for everybody. And so that's where me and you come into play at, and that's where we get a chance to do what we do and put our skills to use and build our wealth through the stock market as well. I hope that was helpful. I hope you guys appreciate this stock lingo, just to make sure that you are up on your game as you go about your investment journey. Next up, we have our question of the day, and today's questions come from Beats by Zay. And he said, I'm new to investing, literally just started this week. I was sitting on almost 50K and finally got the confidence to hop in stocks. Still learning, obviously, but this was my first buy for 50 shares for $31.50, and he highlighted the fear of missing out. Lost over $250 so far, but I'm in it for the long haul though. Also learning a lot about the lingo thanks to you, bro. Listen, man, I wanted to shout out Beats by Zay because he spoke to something that I wanted to really highlight. Do you hear and see his attitude? Man, everything about the stock market is about your approach to it. Everything is about the attitude you maintain throughout investing. And so here it is. He has 50K and he bought 50 shares of a stock, got it on the way up because of fear of missing out, but then had the humility to come back and say, you know what, man, this is what I did. This is what I'm going to bounce back from, and I'm ready to learn as I go through trial and error. But you know what? I'm in it for the long haul. Man, I can't help but salute guys like that. And I appreciate people that has the right mindset. That's what 90% of this game come down to, man. You gotta have the right mindset. You can't be the person that on red days you complaining about the stock market being down. No, that is not what a red day in the market means. The red day in the market means that stocks are on sale, and that means you should be buying at a lower price. It does not mean the stock market is down. So again, but everything is about mindset. And if nobody is teaching you guys the game the right way, you will think, oh, my stocks is down, I'm about to sell this stock. And you just get in and out, and you create a rat race that you put yourself in by investing in low quality stocks. And so I salute Zay. I salute his mindset, more importantly, and I just want to keep him encouraged on the journey. But more importantly, I want to keep all of you guys encouraged on your journey, because there will be up days and down days. But remember, you never lose in the stock market as long as you don't sell. And so I preach a lot of stuff and I teach a lot of stuff, man. I just hope you guys take it to heart, and I hope you guys apply it the right way. Anyway, man, listen, I make videos like this every week. Make sure you guys, if you got questions or comments below, I will grab them and add them to the next video. I make videos like this every week, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.